fire. Give me reason, take me higher. Sing forever young, singing songs underneath the
Welcome to
stars.
Deseret International Charities, or DIC.
สบายดียินดีต้อนรับเข้าสู่องค์การใจบุญสากล Deseret หรือ DIC.
Today, we got a question from Facebook.
ขอเบิ่งได้บ่ CH. Why is it pronounced like a J? How is it different from any other C? Easy. They're not the same.
J.
Ch.
J.
Ch.
J.
Ch.
Hey, you pronounce CH differently.
อีหลีบ่
Yeah, CH has no rules. Look, read this word.
Chocolate.
That's right. Now you, read this word. Chemistry. No. It's not chemistry. It's chemistry. ที่ออกเสียงกับคอควาย chemistry. Chemistry. Now you say this word.
Parakeet.
No, it's not paracoot. It's parachute. Parachute.
Parachute. Oh, CH can be ch, k, and sh, right?
You got it.
Let's give them some examples, shall we?
Chew.
Chasm,
Shoot.
cheese,
Chaos.
chef,
Cheer.
cord,
Charades.
cheat,
Chemistry.
chagrin,
Christmas.
charismatic,
Chauffeur.
cherry.
Don't forget to like us on Facebook. Yeah.
Yeah. And visit our YouTube.
It's great. ทั้งวันนี้ได้รับการสนับสนุนจากสมาชิกของศาสนาจักรของพระเยซูคริสต์ในพระองค์สุดท้าย
Stay tuned for our next video. See you again.
With blue skies ahead, yes, I'm on my